welcome back to another video, my darlings. I am super excited for this video today because I will be sharing my top date night perfumes for you guys. These are the most sexiest perfumes I have in my collection. They are alluring, tempting, ever so feminine and highly elegant. So I'm super excited to be sharing this video with you guys. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what is your go-to perfumes for date night. What do you love wearing? For me, when it comes to date night, I love a fragrance that is floral, and I'm talking about your opulent florals, or I love something that is gourmand and sweet. So I have a combination of fragrances today that hopefully you will find something that you love if you're looking for the perfect, sexy, but highly elegant feminine perfume for date night. So let's get started with the very first one. I have Ylang in Gold by MFK here, and I had to pick this as my go-to date night perfume because I absolutely love this fragrance. It is beautiful. This fragrance is a vanilla. It's got a floral mix and it's sweet and it smells tropical and just so stunning, guys. I love this perfume. If you are a highly feminine lady and you're looking for a perfume that smells elegant, feminine, beautiful, a bit gourmand, then this is the fragrance you are looking for. It is Ylang in Gold. This is a stunning, beautiful coconut vanilla Ylang perfume. We have some sweet notes in here. There's some oak moss. And guys, I am telling you, this is so beautiful. This is a vanilla. It's almost a tropical vanilla because you have hints of coconut. You have the Ylang in here. But it's predominantly vanilla, but it's floral, it's beautiful, guys. And what I love about this fragrance is when you spray this on your skin, you are left with some gold glitter, and it's really beautiful. And the glitter stays on your skin for hours. I've worn this, actually I wore this recently, and the gold was left on my skin for hours and hours until the end of the evening. So that's really nice. The gold deposit on this fragrance is really fine and it looks really elegant on the skin. So this is my Ylang in Gold. Guys, if you haven't tried this perfume and if you love a vanilla that smells a little bit more on the tropical side, it is really sweet, then you have to try this one. Now the next perfume I have is a fragrance I speak about a lot here on my channel, and it's a cherry fragrance. I think for date night, cherry is a beautiful gourmand to wear. So I have my Rouge Smoking by BDK. Now this is a combination of tonka bean, vanilla, there's some musk in here, and Bruxan. It comes across really sweet, but it's not densely sweet. This perfume performs in a very soft, graceful manner, very easy to wear. This is a fragrance you can wear every day, but for date night, there's something about that sweet vanilla mixed with cherry and almonds. The heliotrope adds this powdery, musky touch, and it's really dreamy. I think this is a sensual perfume for date night. Your love can come close to you. It's not intoxicating in any way. It's quite inviting and soft. And you get this cherry note, which is sweet, but it's not densely sweet and syrupy. It's just a beautiful, soft combination of cherry and vanilla. So Rouge Smoking for date night is highly feminine, and I love this one. It's gorgeous. This perfume I receive about, I would say, just under 6 hours wear in this one, and it's so stunning, really soft, and it's like an airy cherry, but then it's just so creamy with the vanilla. Please try this one. Rouge Smoking. So the next perfume I have for date night is Ani by Nishane. This is a spicy vanilla. So again, this is a gourmand perfume. Ani combines vanilla with ginger, cardamom spices, and then there's some sandalwood and cedar. This is so beautiful. This is a memorable fragrance. It smells unique. This is a very strong perfume, and this is the Extrait de Parfum. You only need a little dab of this fragrance because it's so powerful. It's beast mode, it's strong. And this is going to last on your skin the entire night. I get like a whole day wear of this perfume. It is really gorgeous. If you love vanillas, then you just have to try Arnie by Nishane. Arnie is balmy, it is a bit sticky, it's spicy, it's warming, woody. This is a beautiful date night scent. This vanilla is unique. It smells more on the grown-up side. It's not that ice cream vanilla. It's definitely sensual, spicy, and alluring. This is a beautiful fragrance. So Arnie by Nishane. My next recommendation for you guys is a fragrance that comes across a little bit more on the powdery, milky and nutty side. It's by Kilian. This is Rolling in Love. This again makes an ideal date night perfume. It performs in a way where the almonds and the milk is very much soft and subtle. It's an airy fragrance. It smells inviting and really sweet and pleasant. It's not sickly sweet, but it's a combination of musk, ambrette, almonds, some milky notes. It smells light and clean. This is a woman's fragrance. Again, this is highly feminine and elegant as well. It's a dressed up fragrance. So if you're going out for dinner, this is something nice to wear. And then again, if you're having a more cozy, intimate date night, you're at home together, watching a movie or having conversation, this is a beautiful scent because he can come close to you as well. It's not too heavy. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. We do have some white florals in this perfume as well. So we have some freesia, and then we do have some tuberose, and there's lots of iris. When you spray this, you're going to receive that iris and almond milky notes with some musk and ambrette. It's powdery and highly feminine. So that's Rolling in Love. Now, as you guys know, I love floral perfumes. Florals are just something that I've always loved, and I think even more so now, I'm loving even more florals. The fragrance that I have, I would describe this as your opulent floral. It's complex, it is alluring, it is highly feminine, and it's a little bit mysterious as well, I think. It's a beautiful fragrance, and it is Reckless by Rouge. Reckless is a combination of citruses. In the opening, you have some orange, you have some bergamot, and then in the heart of this perfume, it's about the rose, jasmine, and geranium, and it sits on the base of spices. So you have some cinnamon in here as well, and it just smells really beautiful. Reckless dries down to vanilla, benzoin, there's some coriander in here and some musks. Guys, I just love this fragrance. I think it contains a lot of the notes that I love. I love rose, it's one of my favorite florals. There's geranium, and that combination to me is highly feminine. But then this perfume is highly loaded with spices, the coriander, the cinnamon, and then you have some vanilla, and the bergamot in here just adds this sparkling touch. This is a stunning fragrance and I absolutely love it. That's Reckless by Rouge. In my opinion, Reckless is grand. It smells alluring. It is complex. It's a beautiful combination of florals, but a wearable perfume. It comes across sweet. You have a heavy dose of orange blossom note in here. That's the first thing you're going to detect when you smell this fragrance. I think this is just such a beautiful perfume to wear. Even though this fragrance is quite a complex perfume, it's not overbearing, it's not too heavy. It does sit on your skin quite light, and it does radiate, I think, about arm's length in this fragrance. And I do love this for date night. It's beautiful, it's so stunning. This is a fragrance for a woman. It's a bit more on the mature side, I would say. Okay, so my darlings, what kind of date night video would this be without this fragrance here? It's Delina Exclusif. This is a beautiful rosy fragrance that smells like a dream, guys. This is the most beautiful fragrance I have ever tried, and oh my gosh, guys, for so many reasons I love this perfume. This is your spicy rose perfume. This opens up with some lychee, there's pear in here. You have a heart of rose, oud and incense, and it sits on the base of vanilla. This is a beautiful perfume that's highly complemented. What I love about this fragrance is that it radiates extremely far, and it does last on your skin, I think, for more than 8 hours. The wear on this, the performance is just perfect. It's just the best standard that you can dream of when it comes to a fragrance because it's mass appealing. Most people do love this fragrance. Guys love it. It smells like romance. It smells like love. The rose, the vanilla, the pear, guys. This is just such a beautiful fragrance. Absolutely stunning. It's memorable, sexy, very sexy, guys. So Delina Exclusif I'm recommending for date night. This Valentine's Day, make sure you wear Delina. Now, speaking of fragrances that are highly complimented, I have to mention this beautiful bottle here. This is my Baccarat Rouge 540. And this is a fragrance that, oh my gosh, guys, whenever I wear this perfume, immediately is followed by a compliment. This perfume radiates so far. It's one of my best performing fragrances. It's long lasting. Guys love this fragrance. And to be quite fair, this fragrance is unisex. If you're a guy watching, you can wear this perfume as well. This is just a beautiful ambery fragrance and it has some spice in there. There's jasmine, ambergris, there's cedar. What I love about this perfume is that after you have greeted your love, after that warm cuddle, this fragrance is going to linger all over him, on his scarf, on his blazer, on his coat, on his shirt. He's just going to smell this fragrance for days. This is highly powerful, long lasting. It smells like sugar, candy floss, amber. It's warming. There's a touch of spice. You do receive that saffron, but the saffron adds this citrusy touch and it's bright, a little bit woody, sugary. It's a dream. Baccarat Rouge is an addictive perfume. It's so stunning. And if you can layer this fragrance, perhaps with the hair mist, the body oils, then you are winning for Valentine's Day. This is a wonderful date night fragrance. That's my Baccarat Rouge 540. And lastly, my darlings, this wouldn't be a Charlene forward video without the notes of rose and vanilla. I have another fragrance by Maison Francis Kurt de Jean. This is my Oud Satin Mood. This is stunning, 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 stunning. Need I say more about this fragrance? You know how much I love and adore this perfume. This is your gourmand rosy fragrance with a touch of violet, and the violet adds a softness to the oud. So this perfume is a combination of some sweet notes. There's benzoin, roses and vanilla. The oud in here is just such a pleasant, wearable oud. It's suitable for the evenings. This is a dressed up perfume, suited more, I would say, for a woman. It smells quite grown up, highly classy and feminine. This is a perfume I could wear nearly every single day, but in the evenings it's bold, it's powerful. It is quite a strong perfume, but it's wearable. In my opinion, this is the sweetest wearable oud that comes across quite powdery. A very unique rose. Sugared rose with crystallized violet sweets with a little bit of the powder on the sweets that you buy. It's so stunning. I love Oud Satin Mood. It smells just like you are dressed in sugar and roses and some woods. This fragrance is going to give you about 7 to 8 hours wear, and then it dries down and just lasts on your skin for up to 10 hours. It's a gorgeous performing perfume. And if you love roses and vanilla, then you need Oud Satin Mood. So that concludes my video for today. I wanted to share my top niche fragrances that are highly elegant and feminine for date night. And to follow, I will be sharing my top designer fragrances for date night. So I'm very excited to share that with you. As you know, I love designer perfumes as well. So let me know, what is your favorite perfume from the list here and what would you add to my list? So my darlings, thank you so much for watching. If you love fragrances and if you are on your feminine journey, then I would love for you to be a part of my journey here on YouTube. Please subscribe where I share with you everything feminine and my love for perfumes. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.